Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Let's look at some commonly used subform attributes and mapping with subforms. We will open a demo form factory inspection with some predefined fields on the main form. Let's open its subform. Subforms share some attributes that are also on forms. You can be able to attach images to a subform just like on a form by enabling Include Images. You can make this field mandatory or not. Just like on a form, you can include the status field, which will include status submitted, approved, needs editing. To collect coordinates, either manually on the web portal or automatically on the mobile app, when entering data for each subform, enable Include Coordinates. This is very useful for our factory form. Suppose on a given quarter, we are visiting factories located on different locations. If we save and go to the data viewer, each subform added will be a factory in a different location. On the mobile app, this will be captured automatically. We can also capture the photos of each factory's condition because we enabled capturing of images on each subform. Let's go back to the form builder. We can also attach custom maps to subforms in two ways. If we want to use one custom map and add lots of map points on it using the subforms, we will just have Include Coordinates enabled on subforms. Then we enable Attach Background on the main form. If we save and go to the data viewer, suppose we were inspecting a factory and we had a floor map of it. We want to inspect each section and mark which section was inspected. We will attach the custom map of the floor. Then, we will open the subform. As you can see, the floor map is displayed. We will mark which section we are inspecting, enter the rest of the data, and click Return. Let's add some more subforms. As you can see, our custom map is displayed on the main form with several map points obtained from the subforms we submitted. If we want to add more than one custom map and have subforms fill in points on the different maps, we will uncheck the Attach Background setting on the main map, but enable it on the subform level. Therefore, the user can select which custom map they want to attach at the subform level. If we go to the data viewer, let's assume that our factory now has several floors, each with its own map layout. So we need to inspect each section on each floor and mark it on the map. Let's add some subforms. You can see that each map we selected is displayed on the main form. If we selected the same form more than once, each sections on the same floor, it has all map points from the subforms that used it. If you want at least one subform submitted per data point, mark the subform field as mandatory. If you do not want to show the button that allows users to add subforms without removing the subform from your form, set the subform field as not in use. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have further questions, contact us at support@poimapper.com.